March 2nd, 2025, when Firefly Aerospace's spacecraft Blue Ghost made a robotic landing on the moon. This mission marked the first fully successful commercial moon landing. The Blue Ghost lander successfully touched down on the moon's surface and captured the first-ever high-definition footage of a spacecraft landing on the moon. And exactly 1 year ago, China's Chang'e 6 had successfully landed on the surface of the moon. But why are so many countries reaching the moon? Why does every country want to reach the moon? What is it like there? Let's find out. 12th September 1959, when the Soviet Union's Luna 2 successfully landed on the surface of the moon for the first time. Since then, the lander has reached the surface of the moon more than 60 times. And America has landed man on the moon 6 times, which is still a controversial topic. America, European Union, Russia, China, Japan, India, South Korea, Israel, and UAE want to build their base on the moon, and among them, America, Russia, China, India, and Japan are the countries that have successfully landed their lander on the moon. But what is there on the moon? Well, there are many reasons for this. The first reason is resources. The moon isn't just a dusty rock, it's packed with valuable resources. The moon has huge reserves of helium-3. Helium-3 is a stable, naturally occurring isotope of helium consisting of 2 protons and 1 neutron in its nucleus. It's a trace element on Earth but is more abundant on the moon, having accumulated there due to the solar wind. Helium-3 is a potential fuel for nuclear fusion, offering the advantage of producing minimal radioactive waste and no greenhouse gases. Helium-3's unique properties allow it to be used in cryogenic systems for cooling, particularly in applications requiring very low temperatures. It's also used in neutron detection, dilution refrigerators, and certain types of MRI lung imaging. Apart from this, there's a high possibility of presence of rare earth materials like titanium and platinum on the surface of the moon, which we use mostly in electronic industries. Apart from this, there is no atmosphere on the moon, due to which the solar energy produced there is much more than on the Earth, which will be enough to power our future base on the moon. And there is a great possibility of frozen ice on the poles of the moon, which can fulfill our water shortage on the moon. The second region is tourism and scientific research. Now, along with government organizations, private organizations also want to reach the moon because a very big tourism industry can be established on the moon. This tourism industry can be a market worth billions of dollars. Apart from this, the moon can become a big center of human scientific research in the future because the environment and gravity there are completely different from that of the Earth, which is very beneficial from the point of view of medical science. Along with this, if humans have a base on the moon, then the possibilities of new space-related research become stronger, which can prove to be very helpful in sending humans to other planets in the future. And the third and biggest reason for so many countries to reach the moon is that military and strategic advantages. The moon isn't just about science or money, it's about power. It is impossible that a place where America and Russia are located does not have a military base. Who controls the moon could control space. America, Russia, China, and India all want to build their military bases on the moon. They all want to install their radars, their defense systems, and their weapons there, and want to always keep an eye on their rivals from there. Future satellite launches and human missions are more likely to be carried out from the moon. And it is also clear that the one who has the most hold on the moon will reach Mars first, because reaching Mars from the moon may be a little easier than reaching Mars from the Earth. The moon isn't just a destination, it's the next chapter in human civilization, whether for science, power, or survival. One thing clear, the race is on. We just have to see who will be at the forefront in this race.